Guys, Foxy Forex Trader here, and I'm back with another crypto video for you guys. Solana is going to $1,000. Yes, you heard me right. Solana is going to $1,000. Listen, I'm not the only one that thinks like that, okay? I know this is just a diagram, but it's actually a good representation of how a lot of people see it. We are all lining up for Solana to hit that $1,000 mark, okay? From now, that's a good 5x. It's very realistic, very, very realistic for it to happen in the upcoming future. Ash Crypto predicts Solana is going to $400 to $500. I think this is on the lower end. It seems like it wants to go even higher than that, okay? 400 to 500, low end of the spectrum. It will be higher, all right? Solana breaks 220 for the first time in 8 months. It's been a while. We are going to talk about the market. We're going to talk about the graphs. I'm going to break down Solana's market structure for you guys in just a second. Okay. Kraken. They know what's up. They know what's up. We love Kraken. They love Sol. You know, it's perfect. It's what we love to see. All right. Solana. We are up 5% on price. It's at 222 right now. And market cap, we are up 3%, almost 4 at $120 billion. All right. So let's look at the website. You guys have probably all been on it. If you haven't, it's a good idea to hop on, see what they're doing, what they're working with, all that good stuff. You might learn some things. You guys know they power Discord? Yup. Look, Discord, Google, Meta, Shopify. Like, you love to see it. You love real life utility, you know? 29 million fee paying accounts, 340 million NFTs minted. And what we love, the low transaction fee. This is why we love Solana compared to something like Ethereum, where the prices are out the wazoo. Like, seriously. It's fast, it's decentralized, it's energy efficient, it is scalable. These are all things I will be talking about. And what we love to see, utility from crypto in real life, designed for real world use. That's what you want. You want to see utility in the real world, because then people have the need to use it, which it's just gonna rise the price up. Very simple, okay? So I made a quick little diagram representation, the 5 reasons to watch Solana. All right, let me break this down for you guys real quick. Number 1, blazing fast. And what I mean by that is blazing fast transactions. So Solana can actually do 65,000 transactions per second. To compare to what we don't like, Ethereum does around 15 to 30,000, and Visa Max 24,000. So what is that? That's like 2.5 times faster than Visa. And Visa, one of the biggest stocks in the world. So, you know, ultra low fees. We know this. I just read it. Very low transaction fees compared to other people like Ethereum, which, for example, let's just say Solana would be 60 cents per transaction. Ethereum, you could be looking at like $5 per transaction. Who wants to pay that? Nobody. All right. Expanding ecosystems. What I mean by this is they are going into NFTs. You saw how many were minted. DeFi's, gaming, and they love their meme coins. All right. Like Bonk or Dog with Hat, you know, real world integrations. So Visa actually started using Solana because of their speed and cost. Other companies, Shopify, Helium, big companies that are really using Solana. And then lastly, strong ETH alternative. That's simple. I don't have to explain that one. You guys know that. So, my gosh, sorry guys. Talking, making my throat dry. All right, let's break down the market structure of Solana, shall we? So, release, pump, dump, This was a bad time. This was a bad time. I remember buying Solana here, trading it actually, 50, no, lower, here, somewhere around here. And I held around here, got double my money. I was like, I love this thing. Look where it went. I should have held. Now I know to hold. So what do we see going on? We have this trend line going up. We have higher lows being formed. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. What does that indicate? Bullishness. A lot of bullishness. So what do we see here? This is a fair value gap. This is what we call an imbalance in the market. A lot of the times price likes to rebound off of it. So it's going to be very, very interesting. Will Solana break it? Because if it breaks it, closes above, bullish, extremely bullish. Retest, all-time highs. That's how I see it right away. Right away means not like in one day. It's going to take like a day, a couple days, weeks. But we'll get there. Remember, this is the weekly chart. Months, but we're going to get there. All right. What do I really see happening? I think since this is the first time we're meeting this fair value gap, we're probably going to reject a little bit. Maybe consolidate, see what Bitcoin's doing, and then eventually break through to all-time highs. That is my price prediction. We are going to all-time highs in the next month, and then eventually, you know where we want to go. This area, 4,500 up until the 1,000 mark. That is the bull run. We want to see it. We hope it's going to happen. Guys, remember, I'm just a fox. I'm here to share information, my views, my ideas, my knowledge of the market. Make sure you guys do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one.